Next we have another Charolais skier out of that strong Charolais division, Nathan Orban out of Freeborn County.
Oh, looking at $1,000 to get him into $2,000 to get him into $1,000 to $2. Freeborn County to 2 to 3 to $3,000 to get him into $2. 2,500 down to the $2,500 to get him into $2. The $2,500 to get him into $2,500 to get him into $2,500 to $2,025 down 3,000 out of where? 3,000 to get him into $2,500 to $3,000 to 3 to 3 to 3,000 to $2,500 3,000 to get him into $3,000 to get him into $3,000 to 25 minutes to 3 minutes. 23 is where you're at. 2,400. $2,300. $2,400 to get him into 2,400. 23 minutes up on the to get him on the 2,400. $2,300 to get him into 4 minutes up on the to get him into 4 minutes. 500 40 minutes 25 minutes to 5. $2,400. $500 to get him on the 5 minutes 40 minutes up to get him on the 25 straight down 6. Now $2,600 to get. How about 27.50? 25 7.5 17 25 and another 27.50 and now $3,000 to get him an even 3 93,000 and 3 to 3 3,000 thank you now 32.50 $3,000 to 2.5 and another 3,000 and 2.5 and another 3,000 and another 2.5 and another 9 sold the calf 3,000 let's give a round of applause 3,000 Minnesota concessionaires and another green for Freeborn
Minnesota State Fair concessionaires. Thank you, Don Bisco.